Hi, my name is Prince Makain. I'm 26 years old and I am from the Philippines. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies, major in teaching, cum laude, meaning I'm one of the students who achieved the highest grade when I graduated at the university. In the Philippines, I am a licensed professional teacher, a former college instructor, an online English teacher, and a TESOL certificate holder. Currently, I am a secondary English teacher in Thailand, but my contract will end soon, so I am looking for a teaching opportunity, especially as a secondary English teacher. Moreover, I am a student leader back then, a Scrabble player, and a former extemporaneous speaking champion. I am athletic, loves beaches, and most importantly, I'm so fun to be with. I'm so passionate about teaching, and so I always make sure that my lessons are well planned. In planning my lessons, I always have three key points that I always pay attention: my objectives, my teaching strategies, and the assessment. I always make sure that my objectives are SMART, meaning specific, measurable, attainable, time-bounded, and relevant. Second would be my teaching strategies. It could be small group discussion, direct instruction, or cooperative learning. And it will depend on what the students need. And lastly, assessment. And I believe it matters the most because through this, I will be able to determine if reteaching is necessary or not. So thank you so much for taking the time in going through my application. I am certain that through my educational and work background will make me a useful contribution to your organization. I'm very enthusiastic about the chance to learn more about your program and how I can help.